Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to manage our permissions on Motorola G15. Firstly, hop into settings. Now scroll down and go into security and privacy. Scroll to the very bottom and go into privacy controls, permission manager, and let's say you would like to change some permissions to access the calendar for some apps. So let's go here. And let's say I would like to grant access for calendar to accessing calendar, let's say for photos. So tap on photos and allow, and now we can go back. As you can see, photos are allowed to access calendar. Of course, you can change it back, and that's basically it. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.